First section is an honk if you only punk on my person by Nicky and Pierre. Like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's get into this section in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's Nicky. So today, because Pierre made me eat bugs last week, like literal dead bugs.
Just condition your brain. Just like mom gave you when you were young.
He gave me like diarrhea. I'm going to get back at him today and write something nasty on the car and make people honk so he kind of freaks out. He doesn't understand what's going on. Honk if you're... I think it's good.
Yeah,
Honk
I think it's good.
if you're horny. Okay, let's get Pierre.
You look like
I gotta get rid of
a
this.
really good punk.
There we go, perfect. Pierre, are you ready?
Yes, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
So we're going for lunch, right?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Wherever you want.
Can I drive?
You want to drive?
Yes.
Okay, of course,
I
yeah.
feel like I'm getting better.
Oh, no.
You are, you're doing really good. Look, I just got the car clean.
Oh my
looks
god,
good,
it
no?
looks so good. They look so clean.
All right. Shall we?
So why are we recording?
I just wanted to do like a vlog for TikTok and stuff. You know?
Oh really?
We don't do much of those, so I really wanted
It's
to try
true.
and do that. And you just never know what happens, you know?
Okay, that's awesome. Hi guys.
We're gonna go get lunch.
We're taking you with us for lunch. Is this guy taking pictures of us?
I don't know. Maybe it's the apocalypse.
Oh, I think.
Pierre,
Huh?
what are you doing?
I don't know. There were still cars going.
Why did he beep at you?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe I was taking too long
I want to
to turn.
why you people
Pierre, what are you... What is going on? Why are they beeping at you?
I don't know. 40, 45 on a 40. That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think
Why are they
that's
honking? Oh. What is going on?
Okay. Yeah, what is going on?
What was that?
What did I do?
Oh my god, they gave me a heart attack.
What if the trunk is open and everything was falling out this whole time? What is going on, Nicholas? I'm freaking out. Should we stop and go
don't
see?
stop. What if it's like, I don't know, what if they're gonna kill us or something?
It looks like they're taking a picture of the car.
Maybe it's a fan, I don't know.
What is this?
A fan?
But baby, you're going into a...
Where am I going?
Follow the navigation.
Oh, I feel like I suck at driving.
No, baby, it has nothing to do with your driving.
Man, yeah, look, I just missed the thing now.
It's okay, you're stressed out.
I feel like everybody's happy.
Oh my god, here. Oh my god, close your window.
Hi.
Close your window. Oh my god.
What is that? Nicholas,
Oh my god.
was that fans?
Oh my god, there's some big fans.
Really?
Come on, Nick, we're not that famous. What was that?
We are not that
Oh my god, Nicholas.
famous.
What is going on?
Yeah, what is going on?
No, baby,
What's going on?
why are you laughing? What is going on? I'm
Yeah,
not
what is
doing
going on?
anything.
What is he doing?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god. No, baby, there's
Yell at
something
them,
wrong.
yell at them.
What? Baby, there's something wrong.
you don't tell
I
me what.
promise you, there's something wrong. I don't know. You admit I'm not doing anything
I
wrong.
swear,
I'm not
baby,
crazy.
I'm just as like flabbergasted.
That was the worst drive ever.
But like if you want to see more prank reaction like this one, double like and comment down below.
Clearly. Baby, what's wrong with people?
I don't know, my love. I don't know.
What was that? Oh my god! Okay, I'm in the parking lot. What do you want me to do?
Why you
No,
want
but
me to
literally.
do?
Okay.
Park right
I'm
here.
gonna park right here. Let's go check if something. Cause
Are you sure you want to check? Okay.
it was open this whole time.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, Nick.
I'm sorry,
No,
baby,
it's-
but it's
oh,
payback
so
for the bugs.
embarrassing. It's so embarrassing. Oh non, mais c'est pas possible.
I'm sorry, but you literally gave me such bad diarrhea for a week from those
Oh
bugs.
my god, all these people was just honking for that. Oh
Yeah.
my god, I really thought there was something wrong with me.
No, baby, there's nothing wrong with you.
I love you, but it's just one birthday.
Oh no, but don't, it's a joke. Baby, it's a joke. What are you doing? Where you want to... What are you...
Oh no. Oh no. Don't look, don't look. I can't. A lot of people are on kick. Look at that. That was if you only punk on my birthday by Nicky and Pierre. I can't. A link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. And like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you want to. And click the bell to be notified when I upload. In what?